Hi loves, thank you so much for clicking on this video and joining me today. As you guys can see and as you guys can tell from the title, in today's video I'm bringing you guys a glueless blonde lace wig. This is a pre-dyed, pre-cut 613 lace front wig from Facmood or Facmood hair. I will be doing an unboxing and install and styling in today's video, and I will have everything linked down below as always, so definitely check the description box down below. But we are gonna go ahead and just jump right into the unboxing. The wig came to me in this cute purplish pink box right here. The wig did come in its own separate plastic bag, which was labeled as well, and then they did send over some goodies. They sent over some HD wig caps, an edge / baby hair brush, as well as a pair of mink eyelashes. And like I mentioned, the wig did come in a separate plastic bag, and it did let you know that the hair is 26 inches and in a Bodywave texture. Aside from the fact that it is glueless and pre-cut, I am obsessed with the color of this wig. I've tried a couple blonde wigs in the past, and a lot of times they are super yellow. This is definitely a 613 true to color and true blonde wig. And as you guys can see, it did come with the foam inside to help keep its shape around the hairline, and it is a pre-cut lace wig. It does have HD lace, and it is a 6x4 lace front wig, and the rest of the hair has wefts as well as an insertable band so that you can wear it very securely. And again, this is what the wig and lace looks like straight out of the box. It is definitely super fine and super transparent. This is HD lace, however, the lace is a light color, and being that it is a blonde wig, I wanted to go ahead and just spray a little bit of my Ebon tinted lace spray on the inside of the lace before installing the wig, and this is what it looks like against my hairline after I sprayed the lace tint. So again, before you can see my skin right through the lace originally, but it was just sheer and kind of lighter, and now it has more of a tan tint to it, so it appears more like my natural scalp color. And again, look at the luster, body, movement, and shine on this hair. Like, it is literally giving Blondie, Barbie, okay? Not golden Goldilocks. It's giving true Barbie blonde, and we absolutely love that. I will also say that this hair and wig is very thick from root all throughout. However, I would say the last 2 inches of the wig are a little bit thinner than the rest of the hair, which I ended up going ahead and actually trimming later on. But again, just something to note. And literally, guys, just flipping this wig on my head, adjusting the wig cap. Obviously, it's not styled or anything, but it's looking pretty good off the bat, so I am gonna go ahead and style it. I'm adding a little bit of heat protectant, and again, you can go ahead and use your wax stick and your hot comb to really smooth out the wig. But you guys know me, I just come on here with my good old handy dandy curling wand, and I get the job done and flatten out the top of my wig as well as push the hairline back, as you guys can see here. But again, if you had a hot comb, it would be ideal to just use a hot comb for this step to really flatten everything in place. But again, once you start to flatten things and style the hair a little bit, it definitely begins to look even better. And this is the hair and lace, again, completely glueless with some really fluffy, not too dramatic baby hairs. But I am gonna go ahead and put my wig band on to just flatten everything and help lay everything to make it look more natural. Again, I did not put glue at this point. I just put the wig band on and continue to flatten out the top of the wig. And again, I wanted to show you the natural state of this wig straight out of the box. This is the texture that you get. Super beautiful, so much movement. And this hair is super soft, guys, as well. Like, you can run your fingers through this hair so effortlessly, and it just feels and looks so soft. So again, this is it glueless, but removing the wig band, you guys can see this is looking pretty good for fresh out of the box, guys. Adding some lace tint underneath. I ended up going in and adding a little bit more makeup on the front of the lace to help it blend a little more. But for this being a 613 blonde wig straight out of the box, I am not mad at it, guys. Let me know what you guys think down below. Let me know if you guys want to try this wig out yourselves, or if you have tried this wig out. And I think, again, it's just like a really easy wig to go ahead and style if you do want to try out a blonde wig, or even if you're someone who likes 613 wigs. I think this is a nice thick full wig, and it comes really convenient, already pre-plucked, pre-cut. I feel like the lace and hairline look really natural, being that all I did was flatten out the top of the hair as well as push back the edges a little bit and just add those 2 little baby hairs. I think this is a super easy and convenient wig to install. I definitely recommend trying it out, and I was really happy with it, so I actually wanted to go ahead and install the wig a little more permanently and style it a little bit. So I went ahead and just took my Ebin lace spray adhesive and just sprayed that on the lace. And I went ahead and blow dried that, let that sit with a melting band. And I ended up actually straightening the hair the next day, which you guys can see here. Also, this is what the hair looks like with my natural brows. So it also just looks different. I wanted to come on here and show you guys what the wig does look like if you were to straighten it. Look how silky and smooth the hair is. And again, all I did, I added some makeup to the lace. I added the wig spray to help lay it, put on my wig band, cut some face framing layers, and I straightened the wig. And this is literally what it looked like. I was super, super happy with it. And again, if you're someone who wants to try a blonde wig out for the first time, I definitely recommend this one. I think it's easy to style and easy to install if you did want to wear it glueless, but also if you are someone like me who likes to just use a nice quick and easy wig spray, or even if you did want to install this wig, it still just makes it super easy and convenient that it's pre-cut, pre-plucked. It comes in this beautiful, beautiful 613 blonde color, and the hair on this is very nice quality as well. So I definitely recommend it. Let me know what you guys think down below, but I will have everything linked down below. I'm not sure if you pronounce it Facmood or Facmood hair, but I will have their Amazon storefront link down below because they do have some other glueless wigs, headband wigs, and other lace wigs that are very affordably priced. So I will have everything linked down below for you guys to check out. So definitely check the description box, and also be sure to follow me on Instagram because I do style the wigs that I show on here in different ways sometimes on Instagram, and you guys can get a first look and some other just videos and pictures of me styling my hair in different ways and different outfits as well. So again, everything will be linked down below in the description box. But if you made it to the end of the video, I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys. Like a G.